Simply drink this on an empty stomach and you will become thinner every day. This powerful weight loss drink will help put your metabolism in a fat burning mode and you will begin to feel the fat melt off your body quickly. If you haven't been trying to lose weight without success, you really need to consume this drink and you will see the difference. With weight loss, it decreases joint pain, back pain, and improves your mobility. It also improves your blood sugar levels, cholesterol levels, and brings down your blood pressure. Firstly, you need to prepare half a medium pineapple and peel it. Pineapple contains bromelain. Bromelain has lipolytic and proteolytic effects, which help burn overall body fat, but it especially targets the belly area when combined with diet and lifestyle changes. Pineapple is also filled with manganese that regulates the metabolism of fat and carbohydrates in your body, thus promoting holistic weight loss. After peeling, cut pineapple into pieces and add them into a blender. Bromelain in pineapple is also surprisingly good at bringing down inflammation. It may be effective in reducing joint pain. Excess weight put additional stress on weight-bearing joints, mainly the knees, back, and feet. Next, you need to prepare lemons. Lemon juice contains pectin, which has been shown to reduce cravings and creates an alkaline body. Research shows that people who comply with an alkaline diet can lose weight faster as compared to people who do not have an alkaline diet. The combination of lemon and pineapple additionally boosts body metabolism. It also gives joint pain as well as muscle mass pain relief. Now, cut the lemon and squeeze 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into the blender. The last ingredient of this recipe is cinnamon powder. This spice is known to aid metabolism, regulate blood sugar levels, and improve insulin function, all of which in general can help you lose weight. In addition, several studies have demonstrated that cinnamon is excellent at reducing fasting blood sugar. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder into the blender. Finally, add 1 cup of water. Blend all ingredients until they become smooth. Pour the mixture into a cup and enjoy it. If you want to get maximum benefits from this drink, you could consume it on an empty stomach.